who's heard of Marble Mountains in Danang? Well, if you have or haven't, keep watching, because I'm about to walk up them. It's about a 6-kilometer walk to Marble Mountains. I'm going to try and take most of it by walking along the beach as far as I can. And the surfers are out in full force. There must be 6 or 7 of them. All having a great time. Obviously the waves aren't that big, so it looks like it's more coaching lessons than actual big wave surfing. But gotta start somewhere. The thing when you walk along the beach for a long time is there's always plenty of stuff to film here. Even when you think you've seen everything. I say that as the guy's doing a bit of fishing. It is just so nice walking up and down a nice beach though. You can't really beat it when you're abroad. Just dipping your toes in the sand, waves coming up to your legs, that type of thing. Just so good. Clears your mind a bit as well. Another absolutely ginormous building being constructed along the beach. As I walk further down the beach, it's actually becoming a little bit eerily quiet down here. I cannot see anyone for a kilometre up there. And you've got all these, like, they mainly look like abandoned buildings as well. A little bit creepy, especially as it gets dark. It's just so much busier down that part of town. We're gonna keep going though. And they're all just empty resorts. That's why it's a bit creepy. You've got these huge buildings and just nobody's in them. You want to talk about destruction of COVID? That's why it's creepy. You just got these massive, like, probably 3, 4, 5-star resorts and absolutely nobody's in them. I'm starting to get a little bit worried that I'm not going to be able to get through to the road that's the other side of these resorts, which is kind of where I need to be. All these resorts are just completely shut down. And it might be a reason why there's absolutely nobody on the beach. It's because I'm actually coming up to a dead end. This is really, it's quite this is really spooky. Look at this resort. It's like an abandoned place. And I might be being a little bit dramatic. There could still be people in them, but not really seeing many people about at the minute. So yeah, I'll come to a dead end. It'll get dark. I can't turn back. Have you ever seen the Blair Witch Project? Yeah, I think I'm going to be turning back quite soon. I'm getting scared. There's no one up that direction for about 2 kilometers. And there's no one up that direction for about 2 kilometers either. I need to get across these resorts, which are either abandoned, being built, or being deconstructed. Wow, it's quite strange here actually. It's just like you've got a huge building here. Is it being built? Why is there absolutely no one on any balconies? Whew. Okay. This Marble Mountain trip isn't looking too good, is it? Right. Let's get back before the tide comes in. And then we're climbing up a palm tree for safety. Oh my goodness. A few little people are staring at me. I think they're going, what on earth are you doing? You're going the wrong way, mate. Wish someone had told me before. And the people that are hanging around will be security men as well. Hoping there's no squatters. I should have known when I walked past these kind of 2 abandoned motorcycles. This place is really giving me the creeps now. It's like I've turned around the corner and come into bandit land very quickly. Where are the owners? Some cool long frisbee in here. Right, back to civilization. I felt like Tom Hanks on Castaway there for a little bit. I think it's time we had some food and a drink. 6 PM, not eaten yet, and I'm thirsty after that. Maybe 10-kilometre walk up and down the beach. Enjoyed it though. It made me realise the proper destruction of COVID. Them abandoned buildings, insane. Kids want to be in the sea. The parents are making sure they're safe. The lifeguard's whistling. Not happy about that gentleman over there. These seafood stalls are incredible. It's like its own little market. Don't put your fingers in there. Look at the size of that. How much? 5.2 kilo. So, I hope everybody enjoyed my trip to Marble Mountains. It was brilliant, wasn't it? So, I've just come to a restaurant that's just quite close to my hostel or homestay, whatever it is. A large bowl of quong noodles, a Vietnamese local dish, so very much looking forward to it, especially after about a 10-kilometre walk along the beach. I'm hungry. Let's have some food, should we? I'll try and say some of the ingredients that are in this dish. So you can usually choose between chicken, barbecue pork, shrimp or fish. I think mine's got a bit of everything because I ordered a mixed version of the dish. It also has mustard greens, bean sprouts, split water morning glory, scallions, lettuce, basil, fragrant knotweed, coriander and sliced banana flour. Don't forget the boiled quail egg or chicken egg, and some have a very crisp toasted Vietnamese sesame rice cake, which I have right here. So that's some of the ingredients that will be in this dish. And it does look absolutely lovely, just what I was after. So last day in Danang tomorrow, and then in 2 days time I'll be coming to you from Hanoi, North Vietnam. Check me out then. See everyone later. Less work, more travel.